Do you ever fear for the safety of yourself, your mother, and the family?
Yeah, always, always ano. Akala nila ang tapang-tapang namin ano, but hindi hindi tapang 'yan eh, pagmamahal kasi it's Jonas, it is my brother. Imagine, 'di ba? One of these days, ano, no, Jonas surfaced. Tapos malaman niya na hindi kami nananawagan. Naku, heartbreaking 'yun para sa kanya. And we don't want that to happen. So it's not because of ano, tapang, it's because of love of my brother, and we don't want this to happen to anyone else. Kaya rin
Uh,
namin ginawa yung pelikula eh. Ay talaga yung gusto naming mangyari. Magkaroon ng discourse at hopefully magkaroon ng kahit konting dent man lang sa ano no sa culture of impunity.